Welcome back, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's session. My name is Hameed Asghar. I'm your mentor, your teacher in today's class. And on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. Today, the topic which we are going to discuss is the envelope tool. So what exactly is envelope tool and how can we operate with this? So into the tools menu, into the blend options, the fifth option is the envelope. And what does this do is change the shape of an object by applying and dragging the nodes of the envelope. For example, let me click on this any of the shape. Either you can click here, or you can click here, or you can click here. Any of the shape which you are interested to make reshape, this is something which in fact allows you. So instead of picking the corner, let me pick up the center point and have a look at this. Oh, sorry. Let me pick up this, and then you can even drag to the inside and things like this, right? And so much so, whatever the shape you are interested in, you can easily create with the help of this shape, right? So same goes to this. You can pick up any of the point, you can pick up this point, you can pick up the bottom point, and that's how easily you can change the shape of any of the object. So now look, have a look at this. It was our square. It was just a box, and the shape is now very much different from the circle, and you can very well easily define that this is by any means not a circle. So let me click up this one, and now we are going to do the with it help with the text. So have a look at this. So something like this. Envelope means you're trying to wrapping up the text. So that is in fact it too. And further, if you are interested to, let me undo this to the original shape. Let me bring up to the back to the original shape, and here we go. So let's move on to different presets first, and that here is the presets. For example, if you're interested to move it into the circular shape, to a square shape, or to any other something like this, so you can do whatever the things. Let me undo this with the help of Control plus C. So to the basic shapes first, and then what we can do is while clicking upon any of the node, either you can add, you can delete, you can convert this to the straight line, you can convert this to cusp node, cusp node, and then to the symmetrical nodes. And other than that, you can convert it to the curves and then straight line mode also. For example, you pick up this one and it will be a straightened line. But of course, that is quite obvious that the other angle will be converted into any other shape. Now, let me give you another option. Let me undo and undo. While clicking upon this, if you click with the shift key, it will give you another further detail options. But I would be interested you to click on the double arc mode first and click upon this, and with the help of shift keys, just pick up this one and then pick up the bottom one. Sorry, without the upper one was also selected, and something like this. You can create as many shapes as you want. So with the help of this tool, either you can pick up the text. For example, here is the text, and now you can pick up any of the things like this. And let me undo this and let me pick up the center point and have a look at this from here to here and to here. And with the help of these tools, you can apply different type of envelope type of effects in which you can rotate, or you can um, uh, object or whatever the distortion you want to make. That is the helpful tool which you can use. So that's it for the envelope tool. I hope you can apply these effects, these type of basic things on any of the shape, and you can create as many shapes as you want. So hope to speak to you soon, and until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.